Hello and welcome to our chair tutorial on how to replace the plastic bushing on a Chromcraft caster chair swivel tilt mechanism. First, let's start by discussing why it's essential to replace the bushing. The plastic bushing acts as a cushion between the metal parts of the swivel tilt mechanism, and over time, it can become worn and cracked, which can cause the chair to become unstable or make a squeaky noise when you sit in it. Now, let's get started with the replacement process. Step 1. Gather your tools. You will need a screwdriver, pliers, and a replacement bushing. Step 2. Remove the chair seat. To do this, locate the screws on the bottom of the seat and remove them using your screwdriver. Set the seat aside. Step 3. Locate the swivel tilt mechanism. It will be located under the seat, attached to the chair's base. Step 4. Remove the old bushing. Use your pliers to carefully remove the old bushing from the swivel tilt mechanism. Step 5. Install the new bushing. Take the replacement bushing and press it firmly into the swivel tilt mechanism, making sure it is securely in place. Step 6. Reattach the seat. Place the seat back onto the chair and reattach it using the screws you removed earlier. And that's it! Your Chromcraft caster chair should now be stable and silent again. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair. If you have any questions, please let us know.